Say hi, Cookie. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I'm actually getting ready to head on the road. Funny story, but I might tell you when I get back. But yeah, I'm getting ready to run on the road with my in-laws. It's Ja's niece's birthday, and I'm helping with a few things. So yeah, getting ready. I'm just gonna fix my brows or fill in my brows a little bit, and that's about it. That's about it. Just let me look like I got some life in my face, you know. See, just see the difference. I never have a tail on this one, but you have to do that. So yeah, so I use my Benefit brow pencil. I use a variety. I use that or the Sephora one, and then I use this L'Oreal Brow Stylist Boost and Set, so I don't have to do much, because y'all see there's times, this is what I do, see, just fill them in so I look like I got, because my brows are really thin. My brows are thin, so I just fill them in, and that's it. Well, I do my skincare routine, fix my brows, and put on some lip gloss, and then I'm gonna throw my wig on. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip. You gonna pick it up? Put it right there. Come on, right here. Thank you.
I got vitamin C.
Huh?
I found vitamin C.
I'm right over here.
I hear you.
There you go. So that can be with those.
Yeah.
With it, no, with the skin ones.
Yeah.
Careful. Where you going? Come here. And he's gone. Come grab this one. Come on. Careful. Yeah. Oy, oy, oy. To entertain this child. Come, turn this way. We are at... Why you pull promise up? Jesus.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You
had to come finish editing. The girls have to go to their cousin's little get together later, so I want to make sure that the vlog is good to go up, you know, finishing touches. Zane is down for his nap. I think the last clip before this was us at the party store, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's at the party store. Before I go, I wanted to show you guys this. I want to get my my hands on this, which is the La Roche-Posay. Y'all know I'm big on skincare. This is the probiotic skincare, restores healthy looking skin. I heard so much about it. And Target had this buy 3 get 1, so I got my serums and I got 2, not 1 but 2 of these. So yeah, so I got my serum. I topped up on my serum. It's the serum, it's called serum. Yeah, it's the Art Natural serum, and it's the replenishing formula. So I got 2 of those. I got 1 for free basically, so I got 3 of these and get 1 for free. Hit up your local Targets. Yeah, but I'm gonna come back. I need to go finish this video. I'll see y'all later. Okay, so for lunch today I'm making some smoothie, and this guy loves his smoothie. I have some frozen strawberries that I didn't want to go bad, and this little berry mix that I got from Publix, and I'm actually blending that in my bullet with peanut butter. Yes, mine done because I had to give it to him, but yeah. Other than my coffee, this is the first thing I've had today. So good. Oh yeah, I'm over here making some wings. Looks so good and crispy. Yeah. I'm trying to get that done. What's the problem? He can't open the bag. All right, I'll see you on the next clip. I need to see them. Okay guys, so this is dinner. I made some garlic parmesan wings. I think y'all saw when I was doing that. I made some pressed plantains, a little salad, and a tiny bit of rice. That's dinner. Dinner. Yes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Taking Layla to practice. Might bring you guys along. We'll see that. Come on, sweetie. Mommy gotta go. You're staying with Papa, okay? Yeah, so I have my hoodie on. I'm gonna put my coat on because it's freezing outside. But yeah, I'm gonna take a little to practice. I'll see y'all. We're running behind. I'll see y'all there. Friday, yeah. Nope. I'm taking my behind in the car. Yeah. Just got back in. We went to Jaz's niece's birthday, our niece's birthday. We got back. I did not, it was so hectic, I didn't pull my camera out, not even one time. Not even one time. But we're back home now, and I think this is where I'm just gonna end the vlog, because I'm trying to get the kids situated, because it is a school night. The kids are not off from school yet, so it's still a school night, and we're getting them squared away for bed. So yeah, I just wanted to pop on and say see y'all tomorrow. It's 21 days already. Yeah, see y'all tomorrow. Bye.